Hello. Do you know what happens when two important resources that enable life on Earth interrupt the functioning of the other? While trees falling on utility lines can lead to power outages, it can also trigger devastating forest fires. Both issues pose concerns of varying magnitude affecting people and businesses. Of course, vegetation management can help minimize the occurrence of such disasters, but the traditional approach can be both labor-intensive and expensive. That's where Infosys can help. With our AI-equipped location platform, we can assist utilities in mapping electric transmission and distribution along rights-of-way. The result? Effective vegetation management and right-of-way clearance. Here's how. The Infosys Geospatial team will assist utilities in inspecting power lines every year, and provide risk analysis as well as optimized recommendations for vegetation management. Using satellite and drone images, LiDAR data, image AI, analytics and annotation services, our GIS team will determine the areas that need to be cleared to prevent overgrown vegetation from interfering with power grids. We can help identify overhanging limbs that could strike power lines. These limbs can be viewed through a 3D perspective along the right-of-way. Furthermore, Infosys can track changes over time in the composition, abundance, size and distribution of invasive vegetation in the study areas. This includes spotting hazardous vegetation, such as dead, diseased, and dying trees, that can affect power lines or equipment. The Infosys GIS team leverages AI and annotation techniques to bring advanced intelligence to vegetation maintenance. Using a combination of AI, labeling algorithms and trained data to identify vegetation characteristics along with weather-based information, predictive models can be created to define risk areas. The processed GIS data will then be sent to the field crew to help clear the hazardous vegetation using mapping applications mounted on GPS-enabled vehicles. An Infosys-developed application can also send field information to lab managers for quick remedial action. What's more, we can also equip utilities with social media services, to provide customers with hazard alerts as well as to educate them on the essential nature of vegetation management. Let our 100-plus GIS COE and utility team lead the way for your business. Interested to know more? Write to us at dis.coe@infosys.com.